Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get donation button in Please Donate. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open a browser on your computer and search for roblox.com. Log into your account and click create from the top menu. The dashboard under experience, just click your place. Then on the left side, click associated items and select passes. Click on create the pass and upload an image to start the process. Keep in mind that there is a required format. Place a name that you want for your stand and add the description if you want. After that, click on the pass you just created, then on the left side, go to sales. Toggle the item for sale option, then give it a price, and then click save changes. Now, open the Roblox on your computer and start Please Donate. Go to an empty unclaimed booth and claim it by pressing E. And if you want to customize the booth, you can edit it by looking at the options on the left side. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.